This is an overview of the sales performance stats template. To use this template, we first need to have the add-on installed and activated. In case you haven't already installed the add-on, just go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons, and search for Gorilla ROI. Install the required add-on. Once installed, the add-on will appear like this. You will see an option here that says use this add-on. Click use this add-on and then come here again, and then you will see an option here that says add user ID. Since I have already activated mine, the menu looks a bit different. Let me show you how the add user ID box appears. This is the add user ID box, and this is the user ID that I am using. In your case, you just have to type in or copy paste yours. Then hit save. In case the save button doesn't work, you need to follow the same steps in incognito mode of your browser. Once the user ID gets saved, the data should start appearing. To make sure everything's working fine, you can go to the US sales tab and look for the data here. If you do not see any data here or you see an error, just delete this SKU list formula and then undo it. This will trigger a refresh across the whole sheet. Let's wait for the data to reload. So now that the data has loaded, you will see a few columns for the product details, and then these are the sales for these predefined periods. And if you scroll here to the right, you will see the sales value for the unit sold. In the US refunds tab, these are the details for the refunds, the values, and then the sales values. The inputs tab is a backend tab. We do not really need to edit anything here. This is the performance tab to see how well your SKUs are performing. It is divided into different parts based on the predefined periods for today, for the last 7:30 as well, and so on. This is the dashboard tab. This is where you will find the Amazon sales performance, the sales trend, and the refund percentages. Then we have the instructions tab. The instructions tab contains the details on how to activate and use the add-on. Then we have the color legend. These are the colors that we use in our sheets, and then the glossary tab. So these are the functions, the custom functions that we use in our sheets. To find out more details for any specific function, just hover over the function like this and click here. This will take you to our website for this particular function. Thank you.